I think we have to speak English from now.
Yeah, so welcome to the secret Shogun Kunitoki lab. And this is instructable about soldering together mystical Shogun Kunitoki flashlight.
Okay,
so
let's go.
So as you should know by now, your new Vinonaamakasio LP, new Shogun Kunitoki LP, is an animated picture vinyl, and to be able to see the animation you will need this mystical Shogun Kunitoki flashlight, which works like this. You just insert the battery and switch it on and it flashes. But if you are a true Shogun Kunitoki fan, you will need to build it by yourself. So the tools you will need: cutters and the soldering iron, and then you need this soldering tin. And that's all. So, step 1 is the IC circuit. And important thing is that you look this dot and place it upwards. So then it goes right way to the tummy of the owl, like this, and then we'll solder it on its place. And try not to overheat this IC circuit, because it can break if you hold the soldering iron on its place for too long. Usually it's not a problem. Okay, so the IC circuit is there. Step 2, the switch. And the switch goes to the left wing of our owl, like this. And try to use this tin as little as possible, because less tin is always better than too much. And then the resistors. We have a brown one and we have a blue one. The brown one goes in first, and it goes to the rightmost holes here, and then the blue one goes to these other two holes on the right wing. And let's solder. Like this. Now we take cutters and cut the extra length out of these resistors. The next step is the capacitor. This one you want to find these minus signs that mark the other leg of this component, and that leg is also shorter. This component goes to the left leg of the owl, and the short leg of this capacitor goes to the leftmost hole. So it's like this, and this is really important. It doesn't work if it's inserted incorrectly. So minus goes to the left. Then the LED, so again look at the length of the legs. The long leg goes to the rightmost hole of the right leg of the owl. So like this. And it's really important to put the LED correctly there, because it doesn't blink if it's inserted wrong way. Like this. And then the last step is put the goggles on to our owl, and the larger eye goes to the left. And now you want to cut the extra length out of these legs of this battery thing, because it's quite thick and might break the soldering if you do it after the soldering. So try to leave something like 2 millimeters length to the other side and then cut it out. This. Okay, so it looks like this. And then the final phase is the testing. Take the battery, connect it, turn out the light. Now we should see some blinking. Perfect. Congratulations. You have just manufactured your own Shogun Kunitoki flashlight.